The truth. What is the truth? Many say it will set you free. Some say it is a right for all. Others say it is a key towards peace. And I would agree. But today, the truth has become more like a drug. Spilling the truth may already give you side effects, or can even go as far as giving you your death. But, like a drug, it is the only cure for this social cancer that slowly kills our community, our land, our nation. Look at what is happening right now. Journalists are being slaughtered, lives are vanquished, and hopes are destroyed. Where is the justice that will fight the wicked? Where is the justice that will protect our rights? Where is the justice that will defend the truth? I will not be silenced. My voice will be heard. My rights will be respected. My life will be honored. And you should do the same too. Enough is enough. It is time. Touch me no more.
Cheers!
Cheers!
Congratulations, Mr. Santiago. I know it's gonna be one big successful business venture.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. May many millions come to you. I have other properties to sell.
Governor Danos has arrived.
Good afternoon, Mr. Santiago.
Thank you for coming, Governor Damaso.
I've heard about your big business venture.
Yeah, I hope it will be successful.
Yes. Oh, I brought with me my wife and my daughter,
Oh, I see.
and my own personal bodyguard, Miss Eunice Oraya.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
So, please have a seat.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, Chris, you're back! Oh, Mr. Santiago, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
Oh, I'm doing good.
So how's your mother?
She's still in the U.S.
So what brought you back here?
I've been studying journalism at the U.S. I came back to start my career here. So, where is MC?
Oh, she has still a gig, but she will arrive later. I know you're hungry, so eat first.
Come on, come on.
Is that Mr. Damas over there?
Yeah, that's him. Anyway, he's the new governor here.
Really?
Yeah.
I should go talk to him. Oh, Mr. Damaso, how have you been? I remember you were one of the good friends of my father.
Stop. Stop right there.
I was never a friend of a criminal. Mr. Santiago,
Yes.
I think me and my family had enough for the day. We should go now.
But wait.
Thank you.
Wait.
Let's go.
I'm super excited, Guevara, and heard your picture news.
Yes, I'm planning to start my own publication.
Journalists right now are victims of bullying. Just be cautious. I'm your father, and he's a good man, and a good trader.
I wonder who that woman is.
That girl? She is Maya.
Was she always like that?
No, not before. Until... Mama! Mama! We're gonna play outside, Mama. Okay, Pop, Pop, Ging, Ging, don't be late for dinner. Yes, okay, Mama. Bye! Pop! Pop, Pop! Let's play, Pop, Pop. Pop, Pop, you look...
Boss, we have two kids. You'll be working for us
We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make up. We are the ones who make up the night, so let's argue. It's already late, but they're not home yet. Maybe something bad happened, or they were lost. I must find them. Show us the money.
Faster. That's all? No. You're useless.
Unless we cut your wrist so that people will pity you.
That's a good idea.
No!
Come here.
Pop, Pop! Ging, Ging! Pop, Pop!
Do you need any help, please?